Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, well, last night Bitcoin saw a major pump, and in fact we came exactly to our target that we have been mentioning in our past couple of videos, the bullish target of this symmetrical triangle. Bitcoin came all the way up to $28,795. We wicked just above our bullish take profit target at $28,762. So congratulations if you did decide to take that trade, but although nothing in this video is financial advice, just my own personal TA and opinion only. Always, guys, make sure to do your own research before trading or investing. That's super important to come to your own conclusions. However, we broke out from the symmetrical triangle, which was perfect, that was forming on the 4-hourly chart, and we came to our exact take profit target, which I have been mentioning in my last couple of videos if you have been watching them. So guys, do make sure to leave a like. I appreciate it when you guys leave a like. It means so much to me. So guys, make sure to do leave a like if you enjoy this content. That would be absolutely fantastic. And don't forget to join my free Telegram channel where I share my analysis when I cannot make a video immediately, and I've talked about a bunch of stuff here as well prior to making a video. So guys, make sure to do join, and I do explain in detail my analysis too. But guys, let's jump back into the chart because there is a reason for this Bitcoin pump. Now, the reason behind is actually the major fall of the dollar index, the DXY. Now, if you've been watching my videos for the past couple of weeks, then I have been talking about this potential head and shoulders scenario that could have been, well, it now formed on the DXY, and I was talking about it around about here. So now it's come to confirmation. The DXY is at this level. It's at the support of the left shoulder. So it's at a pretty critical level. Now, we may see a bull market, right? We may actually do see a bull market, but it's not exactly as how you're thinking it is. The way that we could see a bull market on Bitcoin is that the dollar loses tremendous amount of value and Bitcoin pumps against the United States dollar. So if I jump back to the chart of Bitcoin, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So when we trade Bitcoin, right, we trade Bitcoin BTC USD. We trade Bitcoin against the United States dollar, meaning if the US dollar decreases in value, then hypothetically Bitcoin should increase against it. This is why stuff like gold and silver pump, because you trade gold against the US dollar. It's US dollar per OZ, so per ounce. So this is why stuff like gold and silver are pumping. And I was super bullish on gold and silver for a very long time. And look at how much gold has pumped. Since the 8th of March, we were at $1,800 to now $2,024, because again, the dollar is losing a value. It's valued tremendously, and we're coming to a very closely to a new financial order, to a new world order. So I'm going to explain what that means also in just a second. But meanwhile, while I pull that up, I want to discuss the price of Bitcoin further. So the price of Bitcoin is currently in a bull flag in the daily chart. And if we break above this resistance, I don't know why my rectangle has been deleted, but if we break above this upper resistance of this flag at $28,770, and we get above the very critical level of $29.1K, which on the weekly chart is incredible resistance, and I've talked about this in my videos for a long time, then my target is the $32,000, right? The $32,000 range, plus or minus $32,000, which we will evaluate very soon. However, in the next couple of videos. However, what I mean by the next world order is if I go to my Twitter, I posted this yesterday. So before I posted the charts, this is what I've been talking about. So Ray Dalio, in fact, released this video, Changing World Order, a year ago, and he released this book a little previously, right? So basically, there is a huge cycle of each world power. Currently it's the United States, and right now, according to his statistics, we are currently at the decline of this world order where printing money and credit is at its peak. Therefore, the US is declining as a world power, and the next one, China, is rising. Therefore, the yuan could very soon be the next world reserve currency. Therefore, as the dollar continues to decline in value, then Bitcoin could have a bull market compared to the dollar when you trade it against the dollar. However, yuan, right? Well, then Bitcoin will decrease compared to the yuan. So this is the bull market that we could see. It's not what we're expecting. It's not like the previous bull market where Bitcoin just had incredible volume and a lot of popularity. It could have a bull market just simply because the dollar will lose its value and there will be a new world order that could come around. So this is the bull market that we're going to see if we see one, right? So this is what you need to watch out for. It's not going to be the same as the previous ones. It's not going to be, in my opinion, where all the altcoins are going to have a rush, etc. We may see some FOMO when Bitcoin begins to increase because the dollar is falling, but this bull market will be a different one. This is the first bear market that Bitcoin has had, which is during a recession. So this is unlike any other previous cycle. As you can see in the past bear market, like look at this, bro. We had just a couple of months of a bear market and then immediately we went back into a bull market. It's not the same. We've been in a bear market for a very, very long amount of time. And if we do see a bull market, because this is the first recession bear market for Bitcoin. So it's like many more times the effect that we're seeing in a normal bear market. So if, again, there is a bull market, it will simply be because the dollar will lose a lot of its value and Bitcoin will just increase against the US dollar. Now, this is perfect because this would make Bitcoin a hedge. A digital hedge, right? A digital gold. That's what Bitcoin will become. And that's, one of the primary reasons why Bitcoin was created overall by Satoshi Nakamoto. So if Bitcoin is able to achieve this goal, then it will be absolutely crazy. And countries, smaller countries, in my opinion, will begin to adopt Bitcoin as their own primary currency, because Da Vinci, I will soon release a video with Da Vinci where he talked about why the monetary system is corrupt and why we need Bitcoin as the solution, and why smaller countries can make huge use of it. So make sure to stay tuned for that video, turn on the notification bell, and do check out my Twitter and watch that Changing World Order video, because that will just give you a huge different perspective into what is happening around the world. And I do definitely recommend watching it. But guys, that's it for today's video. Congratulations if you did take that trade, and that was a perfect trade. That was around a 1.3%, I believe, unleveraged trade. So congratulations on that. But guys, I will see you all very, very soon. So take care, everyone, and bye-bye.